Hey there, fellow drivers. Today, we're diving into something that could leave you stranded if you're not paying attention. Your car's alternator. You might not think about it much, but this little powerhouse is basically your car's electrical heart. And just like your own heart, when it starts having problems, you need to know the warning signs. Ever had your car die mysteriously or noticed your lights acting weird? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot alternator problems before they leave you stuck on the side of the road. Trust me, this could save you hundreds in repairs and a whole lot of headaches. What does an alternator actually do? Think of your alternator as your car's power plant. While your battery gets things started, it's your alternator that keeps everything running. It's constantly converting mechanical energy from your engine into the electrical power that runs everything from your headlights to your heated seats. Pretty important stuff, right? The 7 warning signs. Let's get into the meat of it. Here are the 7 critical signs that your alternator might be waving the white flag. 1. The dashboard warning light. You know that battery symbol on your dash. Plot twist. It's not just about your battery. It's actually monitoring your entire charging system. If you see it light up, especially if it's flickering or comes on when you're using multiple electrical features, your alternator might be crying for help. 2. The light show. Here's something wild. Your car's lights are like a crystal ball for alternator problems. If your headlights are doing their best disco impression, randomly dimming and brightening, or if they get brighter when you rev the engine, that's your alternator sending you an SOS. Hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for what's coming next. 3. Battery drama. Now, this one's tricky because it masquerades as a battery problem. If you're constantly needing jump starts, or if your battery dies right after jumping it, surprise, it might actually be your alternator not doing its charging duties. 4. Electrical chaos. Here's where things get interesting. Modern cars are basically computers on wheels, and they all need power. If your power windows are moving like they're in slow motion, or your heated seats feel more like lukewarm seats, your alternator might be struggling to keep up. Speaking of keeping up, head over to yourmotorcare.com, where we've got an in-depth article about alternator maintenance. Trust me, you'll want to bookmark this one. 5. The symphony of sounds. Your alternator has its own way of asking for help through noise. If you're hearing growling, whining, or squealing from under the hood, especially when using electrical features, don't just turn up the radio to drown it out. 6. The nose. Ever caught a whiff of burning rubber or electrical wire while driving? That's not your imagination. It could be your alternator overheating or its belt wearing out. This isn't one of those times where you want to follow your nose. 7. The final warning signs. If your car's starting to act like it's had too much caffeine, rough idling, stalling, or just dying altogether, you might be in the danger zone. Don't ignore these signs, because they're usually the last ones you'll get before a complete breakdown. Emergency solutions. Listen up, because this could save your day. If you suspect your alternator's failing, turn off everything electrical you don't absolutely need. Keep your engine RPMs up slightly. Head straight to a repair shop. Don't shut off your engine until you get there. This kind of knowledge can save you from being stranded. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our car maintenance tips. Prevention tips. Regular maintenance is cheaper than repairs, folks. Get your alternator tested during routine service. Keep an eye on that belt and address any electrical issues promptly. And hey, speaking of maintenance, check out our video on how to move a car with dead battery. Remember, your alternator is the unsung hero keeping your car's electrical system alive. Don't wait until you're stranded to pay attention to these warning signs. Stay ahead of the game, and your alternator will keep your ride powered up for years to come. Thanks for watching. If this video saved you from a potential breakdown, show some love with a like and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.